The AVAIL for Revit add-in includes Project Navigator, a dockable panel that will allow you to navigate your project with ease. With Project Navigator, you have the ability to search your project, filter your results, and load items directly from the add-in. In this example, I'm going to filter by families and search for the word door. Once I've found the family that I'm looking for, I'll see the types and even the instances within the project. Here you'll see Instance Navigator, a companion to Project Navigator that will allow you to group the family by room, level, or host. You'll also have an option to jump to that specific item wherever it is in the project. You can easily load items into a project by searching for the item in AVAIL, selecting it, which will prompt the load tray, or a drag and drop. After the drag and drop, you'll notice the Instance Navigator populate with the specific types in the family to choose before you load. You can even drag and drop directly from Instance Navigator to place the family where you need. Start using Project Navigator today to streamline your AVAIL for Revit workflow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out other Learning Channel videos to keep building your skills.